Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Obi. In today's video, we'll talk about the latest update regarding the JEE and NEET examinations. So there are a lot of things going around such that the NEET syllabus has been reduced by 30% and all other things like what topics they have removed and what are the things they have reduced from the total syllabus of NEET or JEE exam. So in this video, we'll analyze an article from the Hindu newspaper regarding the JEE and NEET syllabus. So let's move forward. So there is this article from the Hindu newspaper which says JEE NEET syllabus unchanged, more choice in paper pattern, says Education Ministry. So I will provide the link for this news in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to read this news in detail, you can just go to that link in the description box and read this complete article over there. So we'll further discuss the news. So the syllabus of the JEE and the NEET will not be reduced in 2021. The Education Ministry statement said on Tuesday. However, as several class 12 boards have cut down the syllabus this year, both the engineering and medical entrance tests will offer more choices in the question paper patterns. So this is the thing, like the syllabus of NEET and JEE will not be reduced in 2021. The education ministers gave this statement that the syllabus will not be reduced. The CBSE has already reduced their class 12 board examination by 30%. Because of the COVID pandemic, they had already reduced their syllabus of boards by 30%. So the further news say that the syllabus of JEE and NEET will remain unchanged for the year 2021. However, unlike previous years, this year the candidates will have options to answer the questions in JEE and NEET examinations, said the ministry statement. It was issued as a clarification after Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal comments at a webinar on Monday were reported to suggest that the entrance tests would also be based on a reduced syllabus. So they are going to reduce the syllabus of NEET and JEE by 30%, and they will conduct the further examinations based on that syllabus which is already reduced by 30%. So the examination will be held only on the reduced syllabus. The syllabus for the JEE and main will remain the same as the previous year. Students will be allowed to answer 75 questions out of a total 90. That is 25 questions out of 30 questions, each in physics, chemistry and mathematics sections. In 2020, candidates were given only 75 questions, all of which had to be answered. So this year they are giving you a option like you can answer 75 questions out of 90, unlike last year. So the syllabus has been reduced by 30%. The exact pattern for this year's NEET test for undergraduate medical admission is yet to be announced. However, in view of reduction of syllabus by some boards across the country, the NEET undergraduation 2021 question paper will also have optional on the lines of JEE main, said that the statement. Like here they are saying that the exact form of NEET examination is yet to be announced. So this is the news regarding this NEET and JEE thing going everywhere. Like they have reduced the syllabus or they haven't reduced the syllabus. Like if they have reduced the syllabus, what are the topics they have reduced? So this is the latest article from the Hindu newspaper. So if you are willing to read this again, I will provide the link in the description box of the video. Go to that link and read this article clearly so that you can get a clean and neat idea over this news regarding the JEE and NEET syllabus. So in this way we have seen this article analysis. So I come up with these kind of things, videos on a regular basis, so please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any type of queries, don't forget to comment below in the comment section your queries. I will reply to all your comments. We'll meet in the next video with one more interesting video. Thank you.